So in this video, I'll be talking about 5 hidden features or tips and tricks of the Google Assistant that you might not know. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell and put it to all, the bell icon, so you'll get notified when I post any videos. So guys, let's get started to the video. So guys, sorry for interrupting. There is one important thing that I want to tell you. So as you know, as some of you may have known, that I have bought a new tripod and I have made a review and unboxing of it. And if you haven't watched it, go watch it. I'll be leaving the link in the description and top also. So guys, now there will be no shaking in the holding of the camera. So guys, this tripod is very good. If you want, there's a link in the description below of this video to buy it. So guys, why are you waiting? Let's get started. So guys, the first trick that you can use your Google Assistant for is to remember things. So for example, I'll say something like, "Hey Google, remember that I kept my keys in the drawer."
Okay, I'll remember that.
So guys, as you saw, now to access it, you just have to say, "Hey Google, what did I ask you to remember?" Or you can,
Here's what you told me.
"Hey Google," or you can use a command like this, "Hey Google, what did I tell you about my keys?"
Here's what you told me.
So this was for my trial. So I told Google to forget that, but it did not. As you can see, Google sometimes never listens to my words. So guys, enough that, let's go on to the second trick. So guys, for the second trick, I have come into my house, and because it's raining outside and I can't see a thing in the balcony. So guys, let's move on to the second trick. The second trick is going to be the Find My Device option. So normally to find your device, you should go to Play Store and download an app called Find My Device. So if you don't know about that, I'll be giving a link in the description below of that app, so you can go and check it out. It's a very useful app. If you miss your phone or lose it somewhere, you can track and you can ring the phone also. So let's start how to use it on the Google Assistant. So just say, for example, like this, "Hey Google, ring my phone."
Okay, your phone should be ringing now.
So guys, as you can see, I don't have my phone right now because I'm shooting on this and my other phone is somewhere else, so I couldn't find that phone. But if you have your phone in this somewhere, it would be start ringing. And you can also tell this, the cool feature that I like about this thing is about when you keep your volume to muted, still it rings your phone at the full volume of the phone. So you can also check the stats of this phone. "Hey Google, where is my phone?"
Okay, your Mi A1 should be ringing now.
So guys, I don't think so you can see the stats of your phone, where's your phone. But if you want to do that, you just go to Play Store and download that app called Find My Device. It is an app from Google and it's 100% safe. So I'll be giving a link in the description, as I told earlier, of that app. So guys, let's move on to the third trick. So guys, I forgot to tell you one thing, that this Ring My Phone option is only available when you have an account paired with another device. So it's basically right, just like you have an account and you have paired it with 2 or 3 devices. And so guys, it works just like that. If you have an account pair with another device and your account is paired with this device which you're going to find your other phone, then it works. So guys, the third feature about the Google Assistant is finding a song that you don't know about and you like it. So if you want to know about a song that you don't know, you just have to tell, "Hey Google, what is this song?" So it just opens like this, and you should play the music that you want to know about. So guys, it's loading. I think it takes a long time.
Sorry, I wasn't able to recognize this song.
So guys, it took a long time to load. I think so that's why. Hey Google, what's this song? I'm going to try it again. The network is too bad in this area. What is this song?
It's On and On by Cartoon.
So guys, as you saw, it finds all the songs in just a jiffy. So it will take around 10 to 15 seconds max, and it finds your song that you want to know. So this works for every song. So for your belief, I am going to play another song and check it. So guys, I have got another song. Just for your belief, I am going to play it. Hey Google, what is this song?
It's called by Netflix.
So guys, as you saw, it's the same song, and you can read it over here also. I don't know why it's opening and again and again. So guys, that's the same song. So as you can see, it also it has no problems talking about any language. You can take any language and you can ask Google, what song is this, and it responds to your command. So guys, let's move on to the fourth trick. So guys, the fourth trick is going to be the voice changer of Google. So if you guys are using Google and using the same voice from the first, I think you don't know how to use it. So guys, for those people, I recommend you this trick. So you can change your voice of the Google Assistant. So say something like, "Hey Google, change your accent."
If you want me to speak in a different accent, you need to change your language.
So guys, just kidding. So the real command that you use to change this, that is also a command that you can use, but it's like Google behaves rude to you. So you can use this command. Hey Google, change your voice.
Here's an example of one of my other voices. Would you like me to use this one?
No. No.
Okay, if you want to hear more voice options, you can find them in Google Assistant settings on your phone.
So guys, to access that settings, I'm going to show you how to access that settings. Click your account icon right here, then click on settings, then go to assistant features, and you can see assistant voices over here. So here are
the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
So guys, normally there are so much colors, red, blue, indigo. There are so many colors, but now there is only 2 colors. I think it's because
Here are
of
the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
Google stuff.
If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
So guys, I think it's because of types of phone. It is varied for my phone. I have around 6 or 7, 8 voices, and it changes according to the color. So you can see it's red over here and it's orange over here.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
Google had a new innovative idea, so instead of some name of the voice, they chose colors. Wow, nothing matching, but still think so will work out. Okay guys, let's move on to the fifth trick. Fifth and the final trick is going to be messaging. So you can also use your Google Assistant for messaging. So say something like, "Hey Google, message Jean, how are you?"
Here are some results
Hey
from the
Google,
web.
message Jean, how are you? Why
Who do you want to message?
are you doing this to me? Jean. Yeah.
Which Jean?
The first one.
Do you want to use SMS or WhatsApp?
WhatsApp.
Sending your message to Jean. By the way, you can also try saying, "Read my messages."
So guys, I didn't have to tell that. Google already told. So as you can see, the message has come, and you can also read your messages. Hey Google, read my messages.
There aren't any new messages.
So guys, as for now, there is no new messages in my phone. So if there are any, Google would read it out. So guys, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it. So if you liked this video, please like, share and comment on this video. And also don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. So this is Jean signing out. Bye.